Yeah, my name is Ravi Pandey. I'm working in IT. It's been like almost 10 years. And like before I was working in IT support. When I start my career, I worked as in a help desk also. And recently I was working as an system admin. And like after after like I'm doing everything like the VMs, Hyper-V and Windows Server. And I got interested for the Amazon Cloud. Um, so yeah, like I'm in Canada right now, London, Ontario. It's been like 7 years I'm here, working in IT field with family. Yeah. Yeah, so I was like interested on cloud infrastructure. Like in my company also, they have some new projects. So my manager was keep asking me if you are interested on the cloud environment, we can give you some platform to work on it. So like when I was browsing, like in the Google and everything, it says the K21 on the top, and the rating was 5, and I checked like all the reviews and everything, which was awesome. And my my experience also the same as per the review. It's not only about the review, but when I did myself with my instructor, she was like awesome. She knows everything. Whenever you ask any question, anything, there's a WhatsApp group, or there's so many people join. But when you have any issue, any lab environment, any issue or anything, the team was awesome. They helped me a lot. The instructor was awesome, and with a good subject matter thing with the lab. So it's really a good experience. Yeah. Like when I was doing the course itself, like live environment, every evening I was like joining the class. So the class was so clear and explained. She was like explaining everything, and she's keep asking like, if you have any question, please ask me, please ask me. So that's the one thing, like. And she was like so motivating us to do the labs, do your practice exam. If you have any question, please write it down, come back to me. And after the class, like she was like answering all the questions and answers if you have, even because of the limited time also, but she's like explaining everything. And like we have the environment, the lab environment where we can do the testing and everything. So it will give you like a real environment scenario, like where you can work and can gain some more knowledge. And that makes you like your way clear for your certifications or exam. Because when I was attempting the exam, I feel like most of the question I got answer from my like from the class, because I was attending the class in a like in an attentive way. And because even if you check my labs, I have not done that much lab in the environment, but the subject matter, the PDS and everything, I did myself, like the study and everything. So which helps me a lot to pass the exam. Not only the exam, but for the beneficial for the learning environment also, so I can work on the cloud environment in the future also, right? So yeah. Oh yeah, future plan is like so at the same time I am also studying cybersecurity also with the cloud. So I finished AWS, so I'm planning to think about Azure also. I have not touched anything about Azure, but maybe in the future. There is a lot to learn, there's AI, cybersecurity. I'm interested on cybersecurity now, but I'm doing the course for the cybersecurity. I'm planning for the CISSP, but at the same time, I'm also interested for the Azure Cloud also. So at least if I have any certification for that, so I will think about it. So everything is positive, like I really like the way you guys are doing. You are like an awesome team. I really appreciate the Atul, how he's motivating people to learn the things, to grow yourself. It's really good. There is nothing to be negative, right? And even in the cost price is also so beneficial. Like you will get tons of things, labs, PDFs, and because nowadays nothing is cheaper, right? And the instructor is so good, she's explaining everything. Nisha is like, I forgot to share with her like my certification and everything. I want to say her thank you from here also. And so everything is positive, nothing negative, because when you go through the review, people think about, oh, this is, they just put themselves, but that's wrong. Review is 100%. Now I know. Before also, when I joined the class, I already feel like, okay, this is something I joined, well deserved, a good K21 Academy. I was like so glad I joined the K21 Academy without wasting my money or time. So everything is positive. Do what you guys are doing. In the future, if I'm interested in Azure also, I will 100%. I will, without checking any other provider, I will just directly go with the K21 because it's really a good experience.